All right. In the matter of People versus Haynes on 252757, appearances for the record.
Harriet Turner on behalf of DeQuavion Hayes. We would waive a formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty, and refer to OAC. I do have an updated address, and I assume the court would like me to
Yes.
text them. Yes, I will do that.
I have the probable cause conference set for July 2nd at 2 p.m. The preliminary exam set for July 9th at 9:15. That will be back in this courtroom. And then Esteban.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Haynes is a lifelong resident of Saginaw County. He was working at the sugar beet factory part-time. He does have 6 children who he has partial custody over. We would ask for a reasonable bond.
My understanding that he's charged with 9 counts. One of those counts is converting a semi-automatic firearm to an automatic firearm, in addition to the other 8 charges, one being that of carrying a concealed firearm, and then possession by a prohibited person of firearm. Given the nature of the charges, given the safety of the community that is of concern at this point, at least for this court, and possible penalty, a bond will be set at $75,000 cash surety. Should bond be made, then there would be a GPS lockdown as well. No firearms, no illegal controlled substances, no alcohol. Do you acknowledge those terms and conditions, Mr. Haynes?
Yes, sir.
In the matter of People versus Lindsay on file number 252756, appearances for the record.
Harriet Turner on behalf of Demario Lindsay. We would waive a formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty, and refer to OAC.
Court winner, plea of not guilty, office of assigned counsel. Pre-exam is set for July 2nd at 2 p.m. Preliminary exam is set for July 9th at 9:15. That will be back in this courtroom. Esteban, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Lindsay is a lifelong resident of Saginaw County. He is also on disability, so has limited funds to be able to post bond. He has 13 children, and 3 of those children currently live with him. We would ask for a reasonable bond.
Date of birth is 2/24/1990.
I would defer to Mr. Lindsay. I don't have his birth date.
Well, let me ask this. He on probation or with the federal court?
I'm sorry, with who?
Federal court, U.S. District Court.
He did say he was on probation, yes.
With regard to Mr. Lindsay is charged with carrying a concealed weapon and then other possession and related to firearms. In addition, he has prior convictions for domestic violence, larceny, interference with electronic communication. Lien also shows charge involving criminal case within the U.S. District Court. Given the nature of the charges, given the concern for the community with regard to firearms by possession by a prohibited person, bond will also be set at $75,000, cash surety, no firearms, no illegal controlled substances, no alcohol. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
In the matter of McKinney on 718-207B.
Carrie Turner, on behalf of Derek McKinney, we would waive a formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty, and refer to OAC.
Winner plea of not guilty, office of assigned counsel, and then I imagine PR bond.
Yes, Your Honor, this is just a traffic matter. We would ask for a PR bond.
Is he on probation or parole with Swift and Sure?
He is, yes.
Ms. McKinney, is Sergeant Fitzmaurice indicated what's going to happen with you?
No, I think I go to court for it tomorrow.
Okay. All right. PR bond. All right then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
In the matter of People versus Destiny Barnes on 252719, appearances for the record.
Carrie Turner, on behalf of Destiny Barnes, we would waive a formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty, and refer to OAC.
Court winner plea of not guilty, office of assigned counsel. I have the next court date on July 16th at 9 a.m. That's in courtroom 310. As to bond, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Miss Barnes is a lifelong resident of Saginaw County. She is self-employed as a caregiver. She does have 2 children at the ages of 3 and 2 who she cares for. We would ask for a reasonable bond.
All right. I don't see no need to put a monetary bond. However, given the nature of the charges involving alcohol intoxicated with an occupant less than 16, in addition, it's my understanding that there was a prior conviction on operating while impaired under file number 232804, in addition to other charges, 23. Bond will be a personal recognizance with SoberLink day reporting. Miss Barnes, no alcohol.
Okay.
Substances. And then someone from pretrial will go over to talk with you. And then if you need to get into the pretrial program, you can discuss that with them. All right, you're all set. Good luck with everything. In the matter of People versus Stokel on 2027395, appearances for the record.
Carrie Turner, on behalf of Julia Stokel, Regarding this bench warrant, Ms. Stokel has indicated she was unaware of the court date and did not receive any notice.
We have her in another case. Wasn't her. How long has she been in jail?
2 days, Your Honor.
Yeah, no. I was looking at, there was another, oh, she's booked in on that. All right. Well, the alternative was 3 days, so I imagine about another 2 hours. All right. Close it out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
In the matter of People versus Johnson on 2526661, 2526660, appearances for the record.
Carrie Turner, on behalf of Vincent Johnson, you would waive a formal reading, enter a plea if not guilty, and refer to OIC.
That's the correct order for people.
All right. So let me first enter pleas of not guilty. Refer over to the Office of Assigned Counsel, and then as to bond.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Johnson is a lifelong resident of Saginaw County. He is not employed at the moment, so he does not have many finances. We would also make a referral to CMH.
On behalf of the people.
Your Honor, Mr. Johnson has 2 open cases currently with Judge Clark, where he did similar conduct where he broke into somebody's house. In fact, in one of the cases, he attempted to have the person's locks changed so that they could not enter their own house. He then proceeded he was lodged in the jail. He ends up getting out. He picks up 2 more new cases, which he's being arraigned on today. And in one of the cases, he ends up at a person's house, breaks into the house. He then is removed by the police. He then goes back to the house hours later, and gets a trespass ticket. And then he goes to the jail. Jail releases him to health source. He gets out of health source, and then he proceeded to go back to that person's house and break into their house again. So clearly he's unable to stay out of trouble. There was another case that was actually denied by the magistrate originally. She refused to sign it. In that case, he broke into a person's house, kicked down their door. They did have a gun. He's lucky he did not get shot, Your Honor. He is a danger to the community. He's a danger to the public. And the fact that he keeps breaking into people's houses, he keeps acting like they're his houses, he doesn't understand, and he keeps going back and putting himself in harm's way and the community as well. So we would ask that there's no cash surety. There is a motion to revoke his bond in front of Judge Clark set for 1:30 today. So we would ask for a high bond in this matter.
Well, am I not limited to no more than the fine? And one is a 90-day misdemeanor and one's a 30-day misdemeanor.
He does have the stalking as well. There's a new one.
I don't have that case before me. Have you brought a motion to revoke bond on those?
I did bring up, there's a motion to revoke bond in front of Judge Clark at
That's the one you're
1:30.
talking about?
But he does have a new case that was just sworn out today, for stalking, breaking, and entering, and trespass.
Okay. All right. What I'm gonna do then is bond will be at the 5,000 cash surety, 10% with GPS. 2,500 cash surety, 10% with GPS. Back court roll. All right.
Thank you.
In the matter of People versus Schneider on 251285, appearances for the record.
Gary Turner on behalf of Joshua Snyder. This appears to be a bond violation. We would plead not guilty and refer him to OAC.
All of you referred over as well. I have it as well.
I did call Jody yesterday and asked if he was getting arrested.
All right. Given the nature of the case, being that of intimate partner abuse, charged under 750.812. In addition, as part of the bond condition, there was no contact. In addition, defendant was referred to CST counseling. It's also on the information of the court that has not completed that or has not even contacted Ms. Joseph. Given that there is a violation of the bond conditions, bond will be revoked and referred back to Judge Jones for bond hearing. Okay. Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Ms. Turner.
Thank you, Your Honor.